Hello, my dear colleagues. I'm so glad to be with you again. And today we are going to learn 100 words for toddlers. It's actually part 4 of my series where we learn English vocabulary. And this time we're gonna focus on 100 words that are really common in everyday life. You know what? Kids can start learning these words at the age of 2 years old. So if your students are a little bit older than that, they will also benefit from this lesson because some of them may not know all these words. And just before we start, please download the PDF file of this lesson by clicking the link in the description below. The material is there for you. As usual, I advise you to print it and use it during the lesson. You can also use it after the lesson when you work with your students at home. So let's have a look at the presentation now. Let's listen to the audio and you can pause the video whenever you want to have a closer look at the words and listen to how they sound. Now we go on. Very good. Well done. We go out. We go down. We go in. Pause the video and practice saying these words. We go down. We go in. Nice. Well done. Give yourself a little star like that. Excellent. Let's learn new words now. A bed. Where do we sleep? In the bed. A book. What do we read? We read a book. A car. What does your dad drive? He drives a car. A cat. What's that animal? It's a cat. A chair. Where do we sit? Woo! On a chair. A dog. Up. You're going upstairs. Excellent. Keep it up. Good job. A fish. What does it live in? It lives in water. A foot. What do you use to kick a ball? Your foot. A frog. What does it live in? Make sure to pause the video and practice looking, pointing and saying these words. A milk. Okay, back to the video. Off. The shirt is off. On. The shirt is on. Out. We're going out now. Play. Let's play. Red. What's that color? Red. Run. Let's run. A school. Where do you study? At school. A seat. Where do you sit? On a seat. A sock. What do you wear on your foot? A sock. Super. Keep it up. A table. Where do you have breakfast? At the table. A tent. A toe. Under. The ball is under the table. Up. The plane is flying up. Very good. You're doing great. All right. Next words. A ball. What do you play with? A ball. A big. That elephant is big. A boy. Who is that person? A boy. A car. What does your dad drive? A car. A cow. What's that animal? A cow. A dress. What do girls wear? A dress. A ear. What body part do you use to hear? Your ear. A 8. A farm. Where do we find cows and pigs? On a farm. A few. A few apples. A flag. What country is that? America. A floor. Where do you play? On the floor. A food. What do you eat? Food. A 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. Can you count? Who is that person? A girl. A go. Let's go out. A hat. What do you wear on your head? A hat. A house. Where do you live? In a house. I have a book. Am I smart or what? J, K, L, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Wow! A key. What do we use to open the door? A key. A mouse. What body part do we use to talk? Our mouth. A much. A little cat has a lot of mice. That's a lot. A my. That's my toy. A name. A no, a 1. 1, 2, 3. Can you count? Yes, you can. A hour. This is our house. A out. The dog is out. A over. The bird flew over the house. A pig. What's that animal? A pig. A play. Let's play. A red. What's that color? Red. A ride. Let's ride a bike. A sad. The boy is sad. A same. Are the colors the same? A saw. Have you seen a saw? A say. A seat. Where do you sit? On a seat. A sea. Can you see the bird? A cell. Let's sell. A send. Can you send a letter? A 7. 7, 6, 5, 4. Can you count? A she. She has a doll. A short. That skirt is short. A shoe. What do you wear on your foot? A shoe. A show. Let's put on a show. A sick. The boy is sick. A side. What do we see on the road? A sock. What do you wear on your foot? A sock. A sew. So. Can you count? Yes, you can. A some girls, some boys. A then. He is taller than his brother. A thank. Say thank you. A that. These are their toys. A there. A sink. Can you count? Yes, you can. A this. This is my toy. A those children are playing. A 3, 2, 1. Can you count? Yes, you can. A 2. I want to go out. A 2, 1. Can you count? Yes, you can. A up. The plane is flying up. A us, you and me. A very. That elephant is very big. A was. I was at school. A way. What way shall we go? A well. The dog is under the well. A we have a new house. A where are you from? A when is your birthday? A white. What's that color? White. A who is that person? A wide. The door is wide open. A will. I will draw a picture. A with. Let's paint with a brush. A woman. Who is that person? A woman. A world. We live in the world. If your students enjoyed this lesson, I have prepared another one for you on the screen. You can also download the PDF file and use it during your lessons. Thank you very much. Bye.